The idea of implanting pig tissue into humans may sound like one of the tactics used by Dr. Frankenstein to create his monster. But scientists are now using that method in the hopes of treating muscle injuries. Researchers have surgically implanted pig tissue into 13 patients with muscle injuries, and all of them have shown significant improvement in strength and range of motion. The study comes from the University of Pittsburgh School of Medicine and the McGowan Institute for Regenerative Medicine, where researchers tested the new method on people with muscle injuries. Dr. Stephen Bidelick, one of the senior researchers, said, previously, there was no effective treatment for these patients, but this approach holds significant promise. This approach could be a game-changer and not just an incremental advance. While it has currently only been tested in people with muscle injuries, in the future this method could potentially be used in healthy individuals to give superhuman strength. The study involved 13 participants, 11 men and 2 women, who had lost at least 25% of leg or arm muscle volume and function. The participants had all undergone a customized regimen of physical therapy for 4 to 16 weeks but had not seen drastic improvements. The researchers implanted a quilt of compressed extracellular matrix sheets, molecules secreted by cells that provide structural and biochemical support to the surrounding cells, which had been derived from 3 different types of pig tissue. After the implantation, the participants resumed physical therapy for up to 24 weeks. 6 months later, patients showed an average improvement of 37.3% in muscle strength, and 27.1% in range of motion, compared with their performance before the operation. Additionally, CORT and MRI imaging also showed that in all 13 patients, soft tissue had begun to form. Dr. Peter Rubin, who led the study, said, "For well-selected patients with this type of loss, we now have a treatment available to help improve their function." This new research builds upon previous studies which showed that damaged leg muscles could recover when implanted with ECM from pig bladder. However, that study only used 5 participants, all with leg injuries, and did not use CORT and MRI scanning to look at the effect of tissue regeneration. Dr. Bidelick said, "The 3 different types of matrix materials used all worked the same, which is significant because it means this is a generic property of these materials and gives the surgeons a choice for using whichever tissue they like." This new study, which is published in the Journal of Regenerative Medicine, only included 13 participants, which is still very small scale. A larger scale study may be needed to verify the results.